Hey, art lovers! Today we're diving into the heart of Barcelona's contemporary art scene at MACBA, the Museo de Art Contemporani de Barcelona. Whether you're here for bold installations, architectural vibes, or a quick culture fix, this museum is a must for first-timers. Let's jump into what makes MACBA an unmissable stop. MACBA sits in the vibrant El Raval district. Just a short walk from Plaza Catalunya, this area buzzes with street art, indie cafes, and local life. You can take the metro to Universitat or Catalunya stations for easy access. You should also explore the surrounding streets for hidden tapas bars and local boutiques. Designed by the American architect Richard Meyer, the building opened in 1995 and contrasts brilliantly with the surrounding Gothic architecture. Its use of natural light and minimalist design sets the tone for what's inside. Clean lines, open spaces, and bold artistic statements. MACBA focuses on post-1945 contemporary art, with rotating exhibitions that often challenge convention. Expect installations, photography, conceptual pieces, and multimedia projects that address topics like identity, politics, and urban culture. For local and Latin American emerging artists, MACBA is big on regional voices, so this is a great place to get your work exhibited. General admission is about €12, and MACBA offers free entry on Saturdays from 4 to 8 p.m. And the first Sunday of each month is also free. Weekday mornings are the best for a tranquil experience, while Saturday evenings usually bring in a younger, artsier crowd. For more information, visit adventureswithjewel.com. As a bonus tip for you, the open plaza outside MACBA is one of the city's best spots for people watching. And yes, it is a global skateboard magnet. MACBA isn't just a museum, it's a pulse point in Barcelona's art and culture. Whether you're an art aficionado or just curious to see what the city has to offer, give yourself a couple of hours to explore this bold corner of creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite exhibits in the comments. I made a short film while we were in MACBA, so let's check that out. Thank you for your support.